Hello everyone. Next chapter is structure and germination of seed. In the process of reproduction, we have learned three stages: pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. Pre-fertilization include gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. How does formation of gamete takes place? In case we have learned that in case of male, pollen grain formation of pollen grain occurs, and in case of female, the ovule which are formed, it has its own egg nucleus which finally get fertilized to form embryo. Fertilization, whatever the gametes forms over here, gametes simply get transferred by the process of pollination, and when both male and female gamete fuse, then this process is known as fertilization. And after fertilization, zygote formation occur. Okay, and whatever changes takes place after fertilization in zygote, these changes are known as post fertilization event. Okay, so we have just simply discussed about gametogenesis, we have discussed about pollination, we have discussed about fertilization. In the fertilization, if we talk about the structure of ovule, okay. Simply, if we talk about the structure of ovule, it is a structure where it get attached to the stalk. So this is known as hilum. This is funicle. This part is known as chaliza, and this opening is micropyle. Okay. So we simply say that after fertilization, what changes takes place? We have discussed the chapter name is structure and germination of seed. Means we will discuss about post fertilization changes. Whatever the changes takes place after fertilization. Pre-fertilization. In case of pre-fertilization, gamete transfer, gametogenesis by the process of meiosis takes place. We have learned that transfer, how does transfer of gametes occurs by the process of pollination. It has explained earlier. Okay, fertilization has explained, but now you are going to learn about the post fertilization changes, whatever the changes takes place after zygote formation in plant, and what changes occur in the structure of the plant. These all are included under the post fertilization changes. So this simply is the ovule. It is present in the ovary. Okay, this is the simply style, and this one is a stigma. Okay, this one simply it is the structure. So pollen grain, if it is here, it develop pollen tube, and finally this pollen tube reaches to the egg nucleus by the opening micropyle. Okay, so here egg nucleus is there, and in case of angiospermic plant, double fertilization occurs. So one of the male gamete fuses with the egg nucleus and another fuse with the secondary nucleus, and it develops into endosperm. So whatever the changes takes place, simply we see that what the ovary whole structure, ovary is converted into fruit. Okay, ovary wall is this wall is simply converted into fruit wall, and ovule is converted into seed, and all the parts, whatever the part, simply it is calyx, corolla, androecium, these all parts simply shed off from the plant, In the ovule, simply we see that this one is, I have told you that this one is tegmen, integument. It is known as integument. Okay, so integument after post fertilization, during post fertilization, integument is converted into outer integument and inner integument. Two integuments are there. This one is outer and this one is inner. Here this is inner and this one is outer. So both outer and inner integument both form seed coat. Okay, both integument form the seed coat, means the covering which surround the seed coat. Outer forms outer seed coat, which is known as testa, and inner integument form inner seed coat, which is known as tegmen. Okay, so testa is outer seed coat, the outer boundary of the seed, and tegmen is inner boundary of the seed. Okay, and egg cell simply converted into embryo. Okay, synergid and the antibodal cell, it just disorganized, means it simply disintegrate after fertilization, and micropiles remain as micropile, and by which exchange of gases takes place into the seed. Okay, so simply it is the whatever the post fertilization we have discussed, that it is the simply changes which are occur inside the ovule. The integument is converted into seed coat, outer seed coat, outer testa, and inner is tegmen. Outer and inner seed coat is formed. This is from the seed. Ovule is converted into seed. Whole ovule is converted into seed. This is called seed coat. Both these structure form the seed coat. Egg nucleus develop into zygote, whatever the next seed formation occur, and rest of the cell get disorganized or disintegrate. Okay, and other the flora structure whatever situated over here, that calyx, corolla, and rosum, whatever these structures is simply shed off from the plant. Okay, so next video we will discuss about the structure of detailed structure of seed. Go through this chapter through the books, and whatever you if you have any problem, then simply ask me. Okay class, thank you.